Forget science fiction, the future of space exploration is happening faster than you can imagine. We're talking about humans living and working on the moon, thriving colonies on Mars, and revolutionary missions designed to uncover alien civilizations. The universe is calling, and humanity is answering in ways that will fundamentally alter our understanding of existence. Are you ready to see what's next? This is bigger than flags and footprints. It's about survival, discovery, and scale. New science that rewrites what we know. New industries that reshape life back on Earth. A new space race is accelerating, launching mega projects and bold ideas, listening for whispers of life across the stars, and building the tools to find it. Not just two rivals, this time many contenders. A world of players aiming high. United States, China, India, Japan, European Union, and a surge of private ambition. Capital, talent, and audacity flood in. Rockets lift, land, and lift again. Crew capsules connect Earth to orbit. Commercial stations and depots are on the horizon. Speed, iteration, breakthroughs, profit. Yes, but also unstoppable momentum. First stop, the moon. Not to visit, but to stay. The moon is once again the prize, but this time, the goal is not a short visit. The goal is to stay. Many countries are racing back to our lunar neighbour. They want more than footprints and flags. Outposts, research labs, fuel depots. A sustainable human presence on the moon. Live and work for long periods. The United States is leading a major international effort through Artemis to land the first woman and the next man and establish a permanent base camp. To guide this return, we have new principles, the Artemis Accords. Not a binding treaty, but shared agreements, designed to make exploration safe, peaceful, and transparent. Release scientific data, offer emergency assistance, and properly register space objects. Dozens have signed on, writing rules of the road before it gets crowded. Not everyone is in this club. China and Russia are pursuing their own lunar plans, developing the International Lunar Research Station. 2 blocks, different partners, different philosophies. Competition can spur innovation, but risks political tension and poor cooperation on a dangerous, unforgiving moon. Because a permanent base changes everything. A stepping stone to the solar system. Learn to live off-world, test deep space tech, and launch cheaper in low gravity. Transforming the moon from a monument into a forward-looking base for humanity. New lunar missions are about resources. In permanently shadowed craters, there are vast deposits of water ice. Like gold in the desert, a game changer, machines could mine, melt, and purify it. Water for drinking and growing plants, and for making breathable air, split into hydrogen and oxygen by electrolysis, the ingredients of powerful rocket fuel. The moon becomes a gas station in space. Launch to the moon, refuel there, then go farther for less. Costs and complexity drop. A modern-day gold rush begins. Companies design robots and landers and processing plants for lunar extraction. They see a clear business model, selling water, oxygen, and fuel to agencies and private operators. This is not science fiction. Hardware is being built and tested now. The first robotic prospectors are on their way. Launching every brick from Earth is too expensive. Use what is already there. Lunar regolith can build structures, print landing pads, habitats, and radiation shields. Local materials, bigger, more permanent builds, turning a desolate landscape into a true human outpost. The new space age is powered by a different engine, commercial enterprise. Companies set audacious goals. Billions flow in, unleashing innovation. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin lead. Reusable rockets cut costs drastically. Ambitions now stretch to the moon and Mars. SpaceX aims to make humanity multiplanetary. Starship to carry crews to the moon and eventually Mars, laying foundations for future cities. Blue Origin envisions moving heavy industry to space to preserve Earth. Developing landers for Artemis and building orbital reef. Beyond the giants, an ecosystem emerges, smaller landers, mining robots, and orbital tugs. New jobs and technologies, a new economy beyond Earth. Space tourism is already selling weightless minutes and Earth views. Next, private stations as luxury hotels, opening space to more than government astronauts. Early access is elite, but infrastructure gets funded. This could really change everything. We are moving forward into space, but we must choose how we go. 2 directions, collaboration or competition. The ISS proves the power of working together. Lower costs, shared risks, big breakthroughs. Common goals can build trust and peace. But the pull of competition is strong. Conflicts could ignite over ice-rich craters. Without clear rules, disputes escalate. Satellites are vital to comms, navigation, and security. Weaponization could trap us under debris. We need fair, clear rules now. The Artemis Accords are a start for signatories. We need global talks on traffic, resources, and non-weaponization. Build robust international space law. New rockets, innovative companies, and partnerships can make a bright future. Technology alone is not enough. Wisdom must guide ambition. Choose cooperation over conflict. Build a future that benefits all humanity. The stars are a shared inheritance. Let us reach together, responsibly, for a peaceful presence in the cosmos. Well, that is the choice before us.